Alright, this is D-Rock coming to you with part 2 of putting up lock-ons. We moved one lock-on already, and you saw that in a previous episode. And now we have the XOP Air Raid. And this is my first time to ever hang one of these. First time to ever hang one of these individual steps here. So, this ought to be interesting. See how it goes. We're thirsty and we're hungry, so I hope I can get this done in no time. Right, Lacey?
Right.
We didn't bring water. That was not smart.
No water, no breakfast.
No water, no breakfast. Well, I had some breakfast while she was hunting.
He was supposed to have breakfast cooked for me when I got back, and didn't happen.
Didn't happen. My bad, baby.
Not even a Pop-Tart. Pop-Tart's the breakfast champion.
Well, there was graham crackers and Nutella. What else could a woman want?
True story.
All right, well, we're going to get this thing put up, see how it goes.
How's it going?
Going pretty good.
Pretty easy?
I wouldn't say it's easy. I would say that I need to drill some holes in the side of this stand to put them brackets on so I can just grab my sticks. That was a little cumbersome. So I gotta get when we take it down, I'm gonna have to drill some holes and put them brackets on here for sure.
But you already have the brackets at home.
Yes. That would just make putting the steps up a lot easier. The stand's light. It's easy to put on the tree. The steps are easy to put on the tree. Just like anything else, I'm sure it just takes some getting used to. XOP Air Raid.
It blends into the tree very well.
Does it?
Mm-hmm.
XOP Air Raid. I don't feel hid very well, and I want to move it, but Lacey says we have to go because she's thirsty and hungry.
That wasn't just me. That was him too.
Anyway, once I get used to this thing, I think I'm going to like it. It's like anything, I do it a few times, it'll probably go up pretty easy. I like the sticks. Just got to play with it a little bit. Feels firm, feels sturdy. All I need is a buck. D-Rock's Outdoor Life. Alright, that's gonna be a wrap for the XOP Air Raid being put up. Looks pretty good. Doesn't stick out like a sore thumb. I may stick out like a sore thumb. Hopefully I'll hear one coming up the draw and be able to get stood up and drawn before they get up in there where they can see me. But I don't know. We have this lane right through here that Lacey and I, if you watched the earlier video, we worked in here a half a day one day in June, July, something like that.
It was hot.
And it was bad hot. Bad hot. But anyway, we got us a little trail all the way down through this ridge. Next year, we're going to have to get us a little something to get across that ditch right there. It's kind of deep. But anyway, I really put this up as an observation kind of sit. I think the deer that I'm looking after is coming down from this draw right through here. And he likes to go up on that ridge, but he likes to go, I have a feeder about 350, 400 yards that away. So I think he likes to use this draw coming right through here. And if he does, if he comes from over there, then I'll be able to catch him when he gets down to that ditch. I mean, like I said, I don't know which ditch he's using. He probably uses both of them, but anyway, we've got a deer we're trying to figure out. So that's what we got going on here on a Saturday. It is Saturday. Lacey went hunting this morning, didn't see anything. I laid around in the bed and actually got up and did a little work this morning for my Tubi Outdoors, booking some hunts and stuff. So anyway, we'll see what happens when we come back. Stay tuned to D-Rock's Outdoor Life. Subscribe, like, comment. We appreciate you watching. And we're just two old Mississippi rednecks having a little fun. That's a wrap.